So this is how to actually withdraw your having airdrop. But before you can actually do that, or you can link your address, you have to do the testnet, and it's very simple. You do the testnet from the MetaMask app. So basically, you move over to your MetaMask, and once you've done that, you have to put in the link to the testnet. I will also leave the link in the description. So once you've connected to the link, you move on from there. Okay, so I'm waiting for the link to load up. Just pasted the link now right now. I'm waiting for that to load up. So once that is done, we'll move over to the next phase. So it's loading and I'm waiting for it to get loaded. Okay. So yeah, so I'll move ahead to click join testnet. Once I click on that, I will have to connect my wallet, and that is what I'm doing right now. Okay. So I will go ahead and sign every necessary thing that needs to be signed, and I will move over to the next phase. What this is going to do to my MetaMask is this. Meanwhile, before that, if you haven't subscribed, please do turn on the notification button, okay? So that you can actually have our content at your fingertips. So what it's going to do to my MetaMask is it's going to make testnet, having testnet my network, because that's where I'll be doing the testnet from, okay? Initially, core was my network. Okay, so it's going to configure that. Doesn't mean that my initial settings on core has been lost. No, I can always switch that. So I'll move over to the next phrase where I'm going to put in my this the referral code if I have one account type individual and country of residence Nigeria. So I click on sign up. So we'll let that load. We'll let that load. It's going to take much time. It has loaded successfully. So you should be seeing this on your page. You should be seeing your referral code and your link. Okay. You'll be seeing your referral link and your code. Okay. So haven't done this. The next thing right now is to verify your identity. Okay. So move ahead to verify your identity, or let that load. Okay. It's processing right now. Verifying your identity is more like KYC, and it doesn't take much time. So we'll click on that button to connect our network, our wallet for the verifications. So now what you need to know is that you can't make this verification on MetaMask. You have to move to a third-party browser like Mrs. Browser. So Miss Browser is a recommended browser for this. If you don't have that, download that up. So I'm going to also impute account type and country of residence and nationality. So it's all Nigeria here because I'm a Nigerian. And once that is done, we'll move ahead for the next instruction. And the next instruction will be shown below. So we're going to get a link for the verification. So when you look through the screen, you can see that that is loading up, and I've gotten the link. So I'll go ahead and copy that link. You can see the information telling you that you can't do the verification on the MetaMask browser. So see the Miss browser. This is what it looks like in case you don't know. So move ahead to load the link for the verification. I've just done that. I'm letting that load, and I'm also giving permission uh, for the browser to have access to my camera because I need that for the verification. I've just permitted the browser to have access to my camera. So while I'm waiting for that, if you haven't turned up your notification button, please do so that you get notified when we post good videos like this. Okay, so we'll move over. We're waiting for that to load. Trying to get my camera ready. So we're waiting for that to load. So while we're waiting for that to load, if this was useful and helpful, please don't forget to share this video so that you can also get help. So now it's open. I'm verifying real time. Someone just asked me to move away. I did that, asking me to hold for a few seconds, and I'm doing that, and asking me to come closer. I'm also doing that. for the verification. So basically it's scanning through. It's actually scanning through and it has done that. So the next one is the ID documentation. So you can do this with either your driver's license, your international passport, your identity card, or your resident permit. Okay, depending on which of the documents you have. So I won't be showing how I scan my ID because of security reasons, but I've done that. And the information is showing in 24 hours. I should get a response. So thank you very much for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to share.